Hi guys, good morning. This is Michael and this is another episode of Pinoy Unboxing. And today we're going to unbox something special from Dell. This is the Dell box for keyboards. These are actually Alienware keyboards. And these are imported from Penang, Malaysia. And it cost, I'm not really sure how much I spent for these 4 keyboards. I bought 4 keyboards and this is going to be shipped out to Cebu City as well by tomorrow. So anyway, for the box here, you should see the order number and then the printed date and also part number for the Dell part for Alienware TactX and how many keyboards we have and then the date in which it was printed, and the weight is approximately 8.56 kilograms and that time, and then it's shipped to my address here in Singapore, and that's coming from Penang, Malaysia. Okay, so let's do the unboxing then, right? So I got a pen knife here and we're just going to unbox this big box from Dell for the Alienware TactX keyboards. Okay, there we go. So, okay, here we go guys. So we have like 4 keyboards inside the box. So not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 keyboards. Okay, 1, 2, oh, that's quite heavy. Okay, 3, and then 4. Okay, throw it away, set it aside. Alright. So we got 4 keyboards here from Alienware. Okay, let's go ahead and get one sample here. Okay, so what we got is a very nice packaging from Alienware, and of course you should be able to see that it's being labeled as Alienware TactX and then the keyboard. So very nice packaging, as you could see at the front and at the top portion as well. Pretty nice. And at the back portion, description, technical specifications, and then a picture of the keyboard. Okay. Anyway, this is a sleeve packaging, so what we just have to do is just to slit it out. Okay. And then you will still see the print, the Alienware print, Alienware logo here as well. Very nice indeed for the packaging. So let's go ahead and open this keyboard. Please sit down. And this is pretty much rare for this kind of keyboards since it's not available in the Philippines, and we have to import this directly in Malaysia from Penang, Malaysia, the Dell factory in Penang, Malaysia. Okay guys, so anyway, here's the actual keyboard. We have the Alienware drivers and utilities CD for the Alienware command center. This is for the software in which you have to configure the color schemes of the keyboard. And then some papers, which is of course like the terms and conditions of sale and not really necessary stuffs. Okay, so here's the actual keyboard guys, and it's quite heavy as well. So what we're going to do is to remove this keyboard, and at the bottom portion you will see that the keyboard is a kit and it has a wrist rest or a palm rest. Okay, so that's the palm rest. We can use this one later on. But anyway, for the actual keyboard, okay, let me get the cables first. Get out the cables. Since this is a multicolored keyboard, you won't expect really that it's gonna be a mechanical keyboard, since a multicolored LED keyboard would be just a membrane. So this keyboard is a not a mechanical keyboard. Just to set your expectations straight, this is a non-mechanical keyboard. Okay, so at the back portion of this keyboard, we still have like customized Alienware tape here to hold the plastic. So we're just going to remove this one. Just bear with me. It'd be hard to get. Alright. Okay then. So, first things first. The USB cable is 6 feet. And it's quite heavy and it's quite thick. And since this is a multicolored keyboard, LED keyboard, means to say that it will have like 2 USB ports. It will consume 2 USB ports because it's gonna draw a lot of power, and it needs 2 USB ports to supply power to the multicolored LEDs of this Alienware TactX keyboard. So basically here we have some macro keys and then some settings as well. And then this is the media control buttons at the top portion. You have also the volume control, and then the stop, pause, play, and then next, and then previous buttons. And you also have a mute button here. So same as well, it's the same thing, the same layout for the keyboard. So this is kind of an embossed thing for the Alienware TactX keyboard. So it's a very, very nice design for such a keyboard from Alienware. And if you will be using this wrist rest, you just have to snap it in at the bottom portion, right? And once it would snap in, then you will have a full keyboard with the wrist rest. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out with my HP laptop, and we can go ahead and show you how this would work. So let me just take out first this wrist rest because it's kind of bulky for me to test the keyboard. Hold on. Okay, never mind. Just leave the wrist rest for this keyboard, and then we'll just go ahead and directly show you how this keyboard would work. So from my laptop, I have already pre-installed the Alienware software. So just have to plug it in. So by default, the keyboard has a blue LED that will lit up, and the top portion would be at default red in that case. So that's gonna be the default color scheme. And by opening up the Alienware Command Center, we can customize how this keyboard would be able to light up. And there's like a lot of color schemes that you could select from. Okay, here we go. So on my laptop here, you have the media control buttons here at the top that you can customize according to what color that you want to choose from the color dial here at the sides. Same as true with this keyboard, the main keyboard in that case. You can customize basically what colors that you need. So let's try this out. For the top portion, for the media control button, we can go ahead and change this one into yellow, and of course it switched into yellow, probably green theme, so that's gonna be green, and also like light blue. You can also set this one as white, and you can set this one as off without any lights if you want to. So anyway, I want to go ahead and select the purple scheme, so for the media control button. And since I'm on the mood like probably green would do for the rest of the keys here at the bottom portion, then I could go ahead and select this one from the command center and go ahead and click on the green color scheme here, and voila, that's gonna be a green colored scheme here at the bottom, and also here at the top it's gonna be purple. So let's say for example red. I'm gonna select this red. Very nice as well. Let's go purple, light purple. You're gonna go with the white as well. We can do that one as the white backlit keyboard, and I'd rather want a green scheme, so probably green for the media control button, and as well, there you go. It's gonna be full green for the media control button. So this is the color scheme that I like. It's kind of a Razer scheme for Razer keyboards. So anyway, it depends on you what color schemes would you want to choose then. And probably that should be the end of our unboxing video, since it's pretty much easy to unbox this Alienware keyboard. And this Alienware keyboard is not available in the Philippines, but you can get this directly from our store at Strategic Technologies. And our store is located at Bacolod City, Philippines. I can go ahead and import as much Alienware keyboards that you would like. You can contact me directly on Facebook, or just go ahead and search our Facebook fan page. It's gonna be facebook.com/strategic.technologies, and you can go ahead and PM us on our Facebook fan page. And if you're interested in buying this Alienware TactX keyboard directly from Penang, Malaysia, then just go ahead and PM us, and we can order this for you. So anyway, that's it for today. This is gonna be my unboxing video for Alienware TactX keyboard, and this is Mike, and thank you very much for watching this video, and hopefully we're gonna see each other soon for another unboxing video, courtesy of PinoyUnboxing.com and Strategic Technologies. So thank you very much, guys, and God bless.